One man's junk is another man's treasure. This is Bobby T, and you're watching Makeshift Garage. Woo! You're watching Makeshift Garage. Every time we go to the dumps, we come back with something, right? A lawnmower, a leaf blower, a chainsaw. We're always getting stuff at the dumps. Look what we found today. I couldn't believe it in a way. It's an Edelbrock. Now, we're really not Edelbrock guys, but remember when we first got this engine and threw it in the car, one of our buddies came over, Bark, and he gave us an Edelbrock. It was a pretty good looking one, brand new, kind of nice. And the car ran great with it. And then we put this Holly on it, which needs a rebuild, and it really don't run that well. And then I saw this in the dumps, and somebody didn't just take it and throw it in the metal pile. They took it and gently set it down on the stone, like such. So I said to myself, yo, I know that thing works. I know. Somebody had it sitting on this shelf, and they couldn't give it away. They didn't know anybody to take it, so they says, I'm going to get rid of it, but I'm not going to throw it away. I don't have the heart. I'm going to place it down. And of course, guess who pulls in? Yeah, that's right. What we're going to do now is we're going to rip that carburetor off the car. We're going to throw this carburetor on, and I'm going to gamble. Does it work? Let's see. Looks like everything works. Let's check it out. I think that should open up a little bit more, right? Maybe we can adjust that. There we go. So it's electric choke. We'll hook up a little heat to it and let her open up. Nice, nice. This is going to be good. I was going to put a 1/2-inch deep socket on there, but she kind of don't fit. So let me get a wrench. It ran. The car ran with it, but it ran shitty, man. It's really not a good carburetor. It needs a rebuild. We just popped it on just to see if we can get this thing running. It wasn't snappy. It was kind of almost seemed tired with this thing on. I have like 6, 7 carburetors that we could put on here. They all need a rebuild. They've all been sitting around forever, dried up inside and just kind of sticky. The biggest problem with most of them is they flood, you know. They're kind of sticky. They flood a bit. The floats aren't working right because they're sticky. We certainly could get lucky with this one, and I think we will. And I love my father, like I always told everybody. My father used to have a gift of helping people broke down on the side of the road just by asking them questions, and then he would tell them how to fix it, and they pretty much got off the side of the road. I kind of have a little bit of that gift, whatever that gift is. And I've even had people from TikTok and YouTube and all that call me and say, hey, I got an issue, man. This is going on and that's going on. And I asked them a few questions, and then I'll tell them something like one dude, I was like, yo, take it out of park and put it back in park. Just do that alone. Take it out of park, put it back in park, and jiggle the ignition, see if it works. And it did work. He had a bad neutral safety switch. So sometimes it's something simple like that, but I got to ask a few questions just to see how he got into the predicament that he's in. It's fun to be able to help people. I love when people call me up and they ask me questions and I'm able to help them out. Sometimes I can't. If it's not old school stuff, I still might be able to figure it out and steer them towards something, but with the old school stuff, I'm much better at it. That's what I really know. Okay. And there we go with that. If you got washers on there, you better be careful you don't drop them down the hole, man. Let's see. Up we go. Come on. There we go. One of the washers did not come off, but it is now. I got it. It's right there. So I will clean this thing up. Look at it. This, I got the other one out of the dumps. Looks better than this. This thing, I don't even know where we got it from. We found it somewhere and we threw it on and it actually ran, but it did not run good. So we got to clean it. I really think she's going to run. So let's see if it's going to run. It's got everything capped off. Blah, blah, blah. I think we're in good shape, man. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Hey, it fits better, man. It's not hitting up against everything. Maybe this car should, if this thing works, maybe we should leave it. I love when it works out, that something free, especially from the dumps. Oh, God, are you kidding me? And it works. Is this going to be funny? Some dude's gonna go, yo, I watched your TikTok. I threw that thing out, man. I knew it worked, but I couldn't smash it like, because there's a metal pile. People usually toss their stuff hard and break it, But if it works, they don't do it. Like every time I get a lawnmower out of there, all I do is clean the gas out of it and start it up and use it. I can't tell you, I haven't never bought a lawnmower, ever. So I literally never bought a lawnmower. Isn't that crazy? You don't have to. If you go to the dumps, there's always somebody throwing it out because the carburetor it's a little gummy or, most of the time it's just bad gas. They let it sit and got bad and they're like, it's time for a new lawnmower anyways. Throw that one away. And a guy like me, I love them. Self-propelled works, everything works. That's fun. I'm telling you, I'm already laughing because I think it's going to work. It's going to be hysterical. We paint all day and then we hot rod at night. You know what? Today it was hot out. I'm a little bit tired from the heat. I can't wait to go home and eat dinner though, man. I am starving. But you know what? Before we do that, let's see. I really think I got a good feeling about this carburetor. Straight out of the dumps. That's my kind of carburetor. I'm never going to make it home for dinner. Let's just take a late lunch break. So we had a little food intermission and we're back. I believe that this carburetor right out of the dumps is going to work. Let's see. I dumped a little fuel in top already, so let's just see what happens. I think I flooded it. It's quite possible that we have to fix the floats. They may not be working. But I'll bet I could get this thing. When I hit the gas, ooh, she didn't spray that time. She sprayed before. Let me dump a little gas in there again. A little bit back there. Wow. A little bit up here. Oh, that's a lot of fuel, bro. If she lights on fire, I got to get naked and put it out with my shirt. Woo. I've had to do that before. Whoa, I filled it up with gas. Now it does nothing. On top of the batteries not being that good, I definitely flooded the crap out of it. So it's possible the floats are no good, but let's give it one more jump, one more try, and then I'm going home. I'm done.
Nothing.
What's that noise?
It's this.
No, I hear. Oh, wow. What's going on there? Oh, that's pure gas. That's pure gas coming out of the pipes. Oh, I'm kind of glad it didn't fire and backfire. Holy mackerel. So that just proves one thing, and I'll back up what I think by showing you this. But that proves that the floats in the carburetor are not working, although the floats in the other carburetor weren't working that well either. We need to rebuild some of these carburetors. But we just thought we'd get this out of the dumps and make it work. But the floats are no good. They're sticky, I could tell, because all the fuel is dumping right into the oil and and dumping right out. It's just dumping, bro. But let me show you. Watch this. I'll bet it stinks like gas. Pure gas.
Not even oil.
Dude. Well, I'm glad it didn't fire. We're going to change the oil. We're going to rip the carburetor off. We can give it a quick rebuild. I got another carburetor, which is a 650 Holly. I'll rebuild that. Maybe we'll do a nice little video on a carburetor rebuild. Let's get that done, and then we'll put it back on. But I do want to see if this one works, so we'll rebuild this one as well, and we'll throw it on, or at least I'll take it apart and clean it up. Let's do that. So if you like what you see and you want to see more, and don't forget, come back to see this thing run because I'm going to fix that. But if you like what you see and you want to see more, go over to YouTube, subscribe, and hit the little bell. And every time we put up a video, you'll get a notification.